it's Debbie. It is day 13 of day 30 for my diet. And so far it's going pretty well. Just went to a pizza party and I ate my food that I prepared. So that was good. One of those non-scale victories. So what are we gonna have today? We are going to have for breakfast oatmeal and orange. For lunch, tossed salad and canned chicken. It's actually really good. And then I'm going to show you how to make chicken fajitas in the micro smart steamer. Really good. The multi-smart steamer is really good. And then we're going to have some nuts, some cheese, some cherry tomatoes, my favorite, and carrots. Okay, so we're going to do the chicken fajitas right away because that takes a little bit of time to cook. But the smart steamer is awesome. Put water up to the fill line on the bottom, and then you put this piece in. This has special protection as a protector barrier so microwaves don't hit the food. It just truly steams it. And then this is another part of it. So we won't be microwaving our food, we will be steaming it. So you cut up about a pound or so of chicken and you put it in the base. And then you spread it out to make a layer. And you use a tablespoon of Southwest Chipotle seasoning. Now we make this up, I'm sure other people have it, but use a tablespoon and you spread it over the chicken and the vegetables. So we'll put some on the chicken. It's really easy to make, and sometimes we do a workshop where you can make and take the seasoning with you. So that's what we did. You don't need a lot. So, I don't think we need this today. We'll see. Okay. Lose my train of thought. Alright, so we have the chicken on the bottom, and then we put 1 bell pepper, 1 onion. It's a whole bunch of bell peppers. I think I made too many bell peppers. A lot too many. I went to Costco and I grabbed bell peppers. And they were big bell peppers. And instead of orange, red, and green, they had orange, red, green, and yellow. So I bought all of them. I don't think we need that much for this batch. And then 1 onion. And then red bell peppers. There's green bell peppers in here. It's pretty fast. So what we can do is, what I can do, you don't want to stick around that long, is make 2 batches because we're having this for dinner tonight also. So we will squeeze all those in there because they're gonna melt when you cook them. They're gonna melt. So that's a lot of peppers. And then we'll put the rest of the seasoning on. Does that look good? Yeah, it looks good. The chicken and the bell peppers. Okay, we'll start with 10 minutes, but I don't think it's going to take that long. The chicken you cut in strips so that it's thin, so it doesn't take that long to cook. So that's extra. Kind of in a rush today. I started late. I knew this weekend was going to be busy, but I was determined to stay focused. These really nest together good. Stay focused and make sure I did all my food. Because it's important, especially the busier you are, the more prepared you are. Because that's when you end up stopping at the store and grabbing fast food. Is when you aren't ready and you haven't prepared your meals. How many of you could eat a whole bag of almonds? These are really good. They're actually whole natural. So they're not roasted, they're not salty. So they actually taste pretty good. Doesn't sound as appealing as honey roasted, but that means they don't have calories and extra sugar and calories. So that's the nuts. I'm gonna put everything on one side or the other so I can go. Here's my orange for breakfast. Halkia is not here, so he won't steal it. Although I buy extra so that when they see what I'm eating, they're watching me eat healthy, so then they eat healthier. That's the theory. And so far, I think it's working. It's working well. So we're going to do our lunch now, our salad. And I have salad and tomato. And this is salad dressing. This is 2 tablespoons or 2 ounces. So it makes it easy not to pour extra on your salad. And I have tomatoes already, but I want to add some cucumbers. So when you peel your cucumber, you can make extra. This Fridge Smart, because it's true, it's has how you gotta keep it open, halfway open. Makes it easy to keep it fresher. So that is lunch. You guys should get one of these because it really is compact, but when you put it on, it's a whole plate full of salad. So it's not a small salad, it's a regular restaurant size salad. So canned chicken and tossed salad for lunch. For breakfast, we're gonna try, I tried the banana last time and that was really good. But then I'm gonna try the maple and brown sugar. And it's the same thing. When you look at the back, it's less than 1 gram of sugar. And that's what you want. And if you look at the rest of the day, I did not put a potato or a banana or anything starchy because I'm doing this as a whole grain or my whatever, the potato. That'll take the place for the potato. So you notice if I have cheese the rest of the day, I don't have cheese again because you're only supposed to have 1 serving of cheese. I have to remember tomorrow to tell you how the maple and brown sugar taste. The banana one tasted really good. So breakfast, we'll save that sauce in a long time. And then we'll do my snacks. Oh, it's my favorite, cherry tomatoes. It's funny because when you don't eat sugar, these are way sweeter. And carrots. Remember, you can eat unlimited carrots and cucumbers and tomatoes all day. But I prepare it because if I go to run out and do errands, I'm not taking a thing of carrots and a thing of cucumbers with me. And if I don't take anything with me to eat, I could just snack on anything. So you want to make sure that doesn't happen. So we prepare a snack to throw in our bag, and I always have a lunch bag ready. And I have ice pack to keep it cool because this one has cheese. None of the other meals today has cheese in it. Have to double check. I'm sure I could mess up, but this is, instead of the Colby Jack that I eat all the time, this is the Monterey Jack cheese. Decided to change it a little bit. Not a lot, but. And you should have about an ounce. Yeah, it's probably more than an ounce. But that's okay. It's way less than I normally would eat. Yeah, you see how fast that is to get it ready? Now tomorrow, if I need to run and do errands or anything, I can put all of this right into my Tupperware lunch bag. Not two nuts, only one nut. I can put this all into the Tupperware lunch bag and take it with me, and I don't have to stop and eat a salad or something else. I could, because that could be unplanned too, but I don't have to. I don't have to do that. Let's check. I tell you, it smells really good. Definitely not done cooking yet, but it's cooking. We'll leave it on for a little bit longer. It doesn't hurt to stir it. They had a joke on Facebook the other day about, do you have one of those pot stirrers? And I'm one of those that stirs the pot constantly, because just standing there is really boring. So I like to stir it. Nothing sticks. The thing that was funny was one time I was making red beans, and I was really careful not to stir it a lot because I didn't want to mush up the beans. And came time to check and see, because I never ate it or did it before. My friend came over to check it, and she looked at it and she goes, "Oh, this is really good, but we have to mash up the beans." And I was like, "Really? I could have been stirring it all day and stirring it all day and mashing them all up, but I was very careful just to keep it on low and not smash it up." And then my Tupperware cabinet has all kinds of goodies in it. I love it. And while we're waiting for this to get done, I keep talking about the, where did my microfiber towel go? The microfiber towel is really good. I have like 4 of them up in here, and you can take lipstick off of a mirror just with this, or I use it as paper towels, and then you just throw it in the washer, and it saves on paper towels. But this is the cutting board that comes out once in a while. And now the thing that's good about this is that it has these ridges. So some of the food, like, what was I cooking the other day? And it was leaking over, running all the way here, but it just stays in this groove, so it doesn't run all over the table. So it makes it easy to clean, and doesn't get all over the floor, all over the table. What else can I show you? We have all kinds of gadgets. This is our chop and prep. I should use this more for demos. But you can put almonds, you can do almonds. Almonds are really good chopped up. You have to be really careful because this is super sharp. We have extra almonds. You just take a couple almonds, a couple, like all of them. We're gonna have, not me, but the kids are gonna have ice cream sundaes. So you can cut up, dice up almonds with this. Just put it in, and it's good for a small amount. And almonds are really hard. You know how hard? Is that really loud? Yeah. You know how hard almonds are, but it pulverizes it in only a few pulls. So you can do garlic, anything, garlic, ginger, and it pulverizes it. So a couple of them, instead of having nuts like the peanuts that they have, you can have almond topping. I bet you my husband will pick the almond topping. That looks good. Good timing, yeah. Okay, it's getting better. And it's still not all the way cooked. But what we can do is put it all together. And mix it up. Can you see? The chicken and the peppers are all mixed together. And it's only going to take a few more minutes for it to cook all the way through. But you have to make sure that the chicken is cooked all the way. I don't think you want to sit here and watch because you got the idea. Doesn't chicken fajitas sound good for dinner tonight when it's cooked better? So you can mix them all up and I'll finish cooking it like this. The other thing is what you can do is once this is done cooking, it's still steaming hot. You can put this part in with some wraps, tortilla wraps. Put them in here and stick it on and let it steam for a little while longer. And it'll keep the wraps. I'm just going to eat mine like this. It looks really good, but it's not really cooked all the way. That's how I'm going to eat mine, just with the chicken, not with the wrap. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Any feedback's appreciated. I love when somebody tells me they're actually watching my videos, which is really encouraging. But today's day 13. We have a few more days. We actually have a couple more days, and I'll report back if I lost more weight or not. So thank you. It's day 13 with no sugar. It's not as hard as I thought it was going to be. Making a YouTube video every day, now that's difficult. But I'm doing okay. I'm enjoying it. All right. Have a nice night. Thank you for watching.